JASMY coin. Why is this coin really going to start to make a move? Well, some pretty big announcements coming out of Japan, as well as the Jasmine Grants program. We're going to talk about it in this video. So if that's something you like, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And let's dive straight into this video. The Jasmine Grant program looking pretty exciting. They've got a lot of things coming with this token, and at the same time, over $2 million for grants with projects with great ideas. We'll talk a little bit about exactly what this is coming up. There are 6 projects currently on the Jasmine Grants program in which people can go and vote for what they think is the best option for the amount of money that's in here. So you can see there, look, questionnaire to provide project-related information, funding for projects, development teams, providing substantial resources to people and communities, decentralized voting mechanisms, and then what's eligible for the grant funding? Well, development and improvement of Jasmy protocols, the ecological applications, Jasmy-based developer tools, and DAO organization of the Jasmy ecology. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, this is all about fundamentally building out on the Jasmy ecosystem. We saw Jasmy run a little bit. We also then saw Binance kind of getting involved and kind of hitting Jasmy a little bit hard, but these are all pretty exciting. Now, I'm not going to go into specific projects, but again, you can come over here and you can vote on which project you think is the right one for these protocols or these builds out for the Jasmine Grants Foundation. Super exciting, very different to what we see. And again, supporting both the Jasmy build out and projects for the future to build on this blockchain. Now, it doesn't stop there. They have also a D app being built by CoinHub Wallet, another friendly multi-chain wallet supporting Jasmy. So, you know, Binance is a thing of the past. Jasmy is building out these things, and these teams are incredibly passionate about what they build out. It says, thrilled to announce that the Jasmy Grant has launched the D app and Jasmy on CoinHub Wallet. We've joined forces to offer users an unbeatable at Jasmy Grants DApp experience and user-friendly wallet services. And again, this is what you get built out here. Super clean, super exciting. And again, with that $2 million put on there. Now, it doesn't stop there for Jasmy. We'll take a quick look at the price. Currently trading around the 2051 range. Is marginally down on the day, but the market doesn't know what it wants to do at the minute. We obviously have CPI data coming out next week, but you see Bitcoin there, 2802, dropped as low as 27.4 earlier on, up as high as 28.6. So Jasmy is kind of just hovering in the middle. We saw the all-time highs around kind of well above the 1 cent mark, all the way back up here. But Jasmy has been slowly building. It's one of those ecosystems that is just continuing to build. Now, some pretty big news, however, coming out of Japan. So Japan's ruling Liberal Democratic Party's Web3 project team has published a white paper laying out recommendations for boosting the crypto industry in the country. This is super exciting for both crypto in general, as well as something like Jasmy coin, the native currency of Japan. It says, which is part of the Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's strategy of promoting technology, a project called Cool Japan. While other governments are trying to put regulation in place to protect consumers, Japan is trying to create a friendly environment for crypto after firms began leaving for other jurisdictions because of heavy tax burdens. We saw Coinbase ultimately not having the volume and then moving their services out there. But what's interesting is, as we see the US clamp down on regulation, Elizabeth Warren coming out there with her crack team of crypto enthusiasts coming out. We have countries like Japan that are saying, okay, actually, we can facilitate your needs. We can make sure that you are looked after. And ultimately, this is going to inject a substantial amount of money into the Japanese ecosystem, and at the same time, their native token or their native cryptocurrency that's built in Japan, Jasmy, could absolutely be a success story out on the back of it. The cryptocurrency industry has been driven by early adopters, but the shift to mass adoption from now on, Akishi Shizaki, Secretary General of Party's Web3 project team, said in an interview with CoinDesk Japan. Shizaki pointed out that major companies in Japan have started to enter the market. Japanese mobile phone operator NTT Domoco pledged to invest up to 600 billion yen, $4 billion, into Web3 infrastructure, and large financial institutions are looking to issue stablecoins. So this is definitely a great opportunity for Jasmy to capitalize, and that's why ultimately we're seeing some massive build outs for Jasmy. They continue to work hard in terms of bringing their ecosystem to as many people as they possibly can, whether that be things like Web3, whether that be things like build out, whether that be new listings on exchanges, as well as a number of other things. They are really starting to work hard to bring out some key parts. Ultimately though, Jasmy bring in some reduced cost, quick, fast blockchains, and at the same time building out on other platforms that you and I know that other projects tend to go through. Things like Now Payments is accepting payments with Jasmy. All of this sounds super exciting. Jasmy really starting to come. It undervalued, in my opinion, cryptocurrency out there that a lot of people are going to wake up and suddenly find Jasmy is really starting to move. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you hold Jasmy? What do you think about Jasmy? I hold some. I'm pretty excited about what is the future holds, particularly with that news coming out of Japan. But as ever, if you want to stay up to date with everything going on in cryptocurrency, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on so you know when we go live 4 p.m. Eastern every single day or upload our latest content. And as ever, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.